Hey there, ready to boost your food vocabulary? Let's dive in and learn some tasty words together. First up, fruits, apples, crunchy and sweet, bananas, peel and eat, oranges, juicy and full of vitamin C, grapes, small, round, perfect for snacking, strawberries, red, juicy, delicious. Now let's talk veggies. Carrots, crunchy, orange, great for your eyes. Broccoli, little green trees you can eat. Tomatoes, red and juicy, yes, they're a fruit, but we use them like veggies. Cucumbers, cool and crisp. Potatoes, baked, mashed, or fried. Time for meals. Breakfast, eggs, toast, fruit. Lunch, sandwich, salad, soup. Dinner, pasta, chicken, pizza. Snacks, yogurt, nuts, a piece of fruit. Let's put it all together. What's your favorite fruit? Or maybe a big healthy salad with lots of veggies. Every meal is a chance to try something new and delicious. So next time you're in the kitchen or at the store, try naming all the foods you see. The more words you know, the more fun you'll have with food. Thanks for learning with me. Don't forget to subscribe and keep exploring new words every day. See you next time.